Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the warranty status of your Dell Chromebook 3400. In order to check the warranty status, we're gonna need internet connection, either on your Dell laptop or any other device around you that you can use. And we're gonna need to check our device's service tag and optionally also the express service code if Dell requires it. So both can be found on the back cover of your device. So here we have the service tag, and right next to it we have the express service code. So once we've checked it, make sure to either write it down or write them down or take a photo of them, and then let's open a web browser. I'm gonna be using Google Chrome on this Chromebook, and let's search for Dell, either Dell Support or Dell Check Warranty. Okay, so here we have support services and warranty. Let's open this website and let's enter the service tag into this field to identify our laptop. Press enter. Okay, and so as you can see, we have some issue with support services, and let's check device details. I didn't check, but I'm pretty sure the warranty is this device is not in warranty, but yeah, I guess issue with support services means that now the warranty has ran out, but I'm not sure if this is what it means in my case. In your case, maybe something else. Okay, so it seems to me that they don't provide any extended information about the warranty on their website. To do that, we would need to use SupportAssist, which is not supported by Chrome OS, unfortunately. But in case your warranty has expired, you will most probably see a problem with technical support services, a notification on the screen. If you don't see this warning, that means that most probably your warranty is still active. But you can also contact technical support. I'm pretty sure they have a live chat where they'll answer your question regarding your warranty very quickly, and you'll get to know more about it. And that's pretty much how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.